Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman Hussain, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is population problem in Bangladesh, and our today's discussion is situation of mother and child mortality, which has been taken from chapter 8 lesson 4 to 6. Now I would like to request you to open the books and please go chapter 8 lesson 4 to 6. In this chapter it has been discussed about the child and mother mortality of Bangladesh and what's the causes and effects, and finally the population problem of Bangladesh and what is the causes of population growth of Bangladesh. Finally, I will give you some HW, so please keep watching. So I hope you have already opened your book. Now let's see our today's discussion. Here we can see lesson 4, situation of mother and child mortality in Bangladesh. It has been taken from chapter 8, lesson 4 to 6. If a mother meets death before they give birth to their children or for reasons after the birth of their children, it is called mortality of mother. So if a mother meets its death during the give birth or some reasons after giving birth, then that is known as mother mortality. Then we can see this kind of death is estimated per lakh. On the other hand, a newborn up to its 1 year of age is called baby. A newborn up to its 1 year of its born is called baby. But when a baby meets its death during the first year of its born is called child mortality. And then if this baby meets its death during the first month of its born, then it is called neonatal mortality. So you can see here, if you have the book, you can see a newborn baby up to its 1 year of age is called baby. If a baby meets its death during in this 1 year, it's called child mortality. If a baby dies within the first month of its born, it's called neonatal mortality. Now go to lesson 4.1. In this lesson, it has been discussed about maternal mortality situation in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, in the year 1980, a total of 650 mothers died when giving birth to their children. It's very shocking news for us. In 1990, the number came down to 574. In 2001, 322, and in 2010, it decreased to 194. According to World Bank data, maternal mortality was 176 in 2015. So in these statistics, we can find that it has been decreased step by step. Okay, next, causes of maternal mortality. There are lots of causes behind of maternal mortality. First cause is child marriage. This is the most common affair in our Bangladesh. Specifically, it's happened in our rural area. Parents marry off their daughters in their early age, and due to their early age marriage, they conceive in their early age. Finally, they fell to death. Low standard of life. Whenever we can find in our rural area, due to their low standard of living style, they don't have enough opportunities about medical treatment and facilities. That's why they feel many diseases. Lack of pure water and weak sanitation is another cause to death of our mother. Lack of female education, especially is happen in our rural and rustic area. Whenever they don't have enough opportunities for education, that's why they are not conscious enough and they get married in their early age, which is another cause of maternal mortality. Next one is lack of medical treatment. Lack of medical treatment and other facilities, they suffer from lots of disease and they don't have enough recovery. Risky abortion. Sometimes we find that daughters and some girls in our rural and urban area, they take some risky abortion which causes death. And high blood pressure is also another cause of maternal mortality. Effects of maternal mortality. What's the effects? In Bangladesh, the neonatals suffer from lack of nutrition due to maternal mortality. Motherless children suffer from proper socialization. A motherless baby or a motherless children doesn't have enough environment to get proper socialization. He doesn't have the opportunity to get motherly affection, love from others. That's why he didn't get brought up in a proper way. Okay, next one is alternative milk is required for a newborn baby due to death of its mother. Whenever a child is given alternative milk, then they feel some disorder in their digesting problem. In our rural area, we can see that whenever a baby lost its mother, then he is given some cows and goat's milk, which causes stomach disorder. Okay, lesson 4.2 child mortality situation in Bangladesh. A report published by UNICEF in 2008 shows that the child mortality in 1990 in this country was 149 per thousand. It came down to 69 in 2006. It was further decreased in 2008 with 52 deaths. And 2014 it was decreased dramatically with only 30 deaths. Okay, next go to causes behind child mortality. What is the causes behind of child mortality? Most people of Bangladesh are still living below of poverty line. This is the most crucial reason of child mortality. As a result, mother and child don't get proper health care and nutrition. Most people die because of poverty. Besides child marriage is still rampant in the country, some other reasons of different disease like measles, polio, cough, tuberculosis, tetanus, diphtheria, etc. have gone down all over country. They add to the deaths of child. Now, effects of child mortality. A death of a child creates some sort of disorder in a family. It's very hard to accept this decision. Sometimes we find that there is a quarrel between husband and wife occurred in our rural area due to the loss of their baby. You can find here. Many times it becomes a cause of disturbance in the relationship between husband and wife as they accuse one another. A child beginning from its pre-birth stage to its time of survival costs of money. It costs a lot of money. Lesson 4, population and natural resource of Bangladesh. This natural resource of Bangladesh are going under pressure. This pressure can be classified into 4 ways. First of all, pressure on forest resource, pressure on cultivable land, and pressure on gas and oil, and pressure on water resource. So what are the pressures? First of all, habitation problem. Habitation, due to our habitation problem, we have to cut down trees and hence we are losing our forest land and which harm to our natural balance. Next one is pressure on cultivable land for housing purpose or trade and commerce for industry or any other company to establish industry. We have to use our cultivable land and hence we are losing our cultivable land. Next one is pressure on gas and oil. We need wood, natural gas and oil which are used as raw materials. By this way we are losing our gas and oil remarkably. Next one, pressure on water resource. When we left off materials from industries, then our fishes are dying because of water pollution. Next we can see lesson 6, causes, effects and solution to population growth of Bangladesh. Causes of population growth. The main reason behind population growth on decline is birth and death. Medical treatment and expanded program on immunization have lessened the gross infant mortality rate. Every year 25 lakh children are born here while about 6 lakh people die. Besides this, child marriage, polygamy, religious superstitions and irregular use of birth control measures are contributing growth of population. Lesson 6.2, you will find the effects of population growth. Population growth is increasing the dependent population in Bangladesh. As a result, Bangladesh has to spend a large portion of its development budget for their welfare. There will be 40% dependent and 60% independent population in Bangladesh next 3 decades. Okay, next go. Lesson 6.3, this is the last of our today's discussion. Steps for solution of population problem. Here it has been suggested some steps we can follow to control our population. First of all, we need proper implementation of Child Marriage Act. We have to impose the law of minimum of age. We know that in our Bangladesh, to get married of a child, boys need to at least 21 years. On the other hand, a girl need 18 years old to get married. Okay, next we need to create employment for women folk in productive sectors and involve them. We should involve our women in equally beside our men. We need to motivate everybody to take birth control measures and form smaller families. We can aware our rustic peoples and our rural peoples to be conscious about our birth control system. Okay, next one, we need to turn the population into human resource. If we turn our population into human resource, then they will be our blessing. Otherwise, they will be burden for Bangladesh. Now, we are at the end of our today's class. Now, I will provide you some SW. Please note it down in your CW copy or SW copy. First one, what is called mortality of mothers? These are the knowledge based question. Each question carries 1 mark. What is called mortality of mothers? First question. Second question, what is called neonatal mortality? Third question, who are known as baby? Fourth, what is gross birth rate? And fifth number, what is the minimum age of a girl for marriage in Bangladesh? Last one is give 2 solution of population problem in Bangladesh. So submit this SW in next Sunday and collect another Sunday. Please to submit or to finish your SW, please at the top of your SW copy write down your name, roll number, section, and please if you prepare your SW in sheet, you must make it separate sheet for every subject teachers. So keep watching our next video. Stay home, stay well. Hope you are well at home. I hope we will see you soon in next video. Allah Hafiz.